not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the salon!
5 hours of work.
This is how I sketch. Pencil. Reference. Draw guidelines for the middle of the face, eyes, and nose. Make a triangle to make it easier, then draw the rest of the nose based on the reference. Tip: mark the features that are parallel to each other. Draw the rest and make adjustments when necessary. Coloring on the next part.
Nice to meet ya. Who could you be? I am Angelique.
Some people wanted to know how I draw my faces, so I thought I'd show you. This is just how I draw a standard smiling face. At the end, I will show you part of my expression study to show different emotions for this standard face. It's good to focus on the mood and atmosphere before putting the face on your beautiful artwork. You don't want your pieces to suffer from sang face syndrome. There's a lot of other ways that I draw eyes, but this is the face I draw the most. I really hope this answers your questions and helps. Here are some expressions you can pull off with this specific face.
Art tip number 1. If you ever feel stuck on what to draw or create, take out a blank sheet of paper and whatever art making utensil you have at your disposal and just start drawing literally anything. Tell yourself that you will throw the drawing away when you're done. This could help you draw without any expectations, which may be what is holding you back from your next great idea. You can also do as many of these freestyle illustrations as you need to, and you don't actually have to throw the drawing away. Just
make the skin color the color of your shirt. The eye color your favorite color. The hair color, the color of your favorite flower. If you have a family car or you own a car, give your fairy large wings. If you don't, then just give them small wings. If you have long hair, give your fairy accessories. If you have siblings, give your fairy a wand. If you have a pet, put details in the fairy's skin. It could be an injury or a birthmark. Oh, and if you happen to be an artist, draw your fairy.
Upgraded phone to S22 Ultra. Now have pressure sensitivity on a phone. Art game changer.
I'll be honest, I do not like drawing hair. Like, you're literally hatching without cross-hatching, if that makes sense. Alright, here's the problem about this part of the sketch. I had to make sure that every line blends in with the picture so it doesn't look off. If I was correct, every single hair took like 15 minutes to do, and I was doing this at some mad time. I'm pretty sure I went kind of crazy over this because I couldn't finish it in a day. But yeah, moving on to the next day, I was like, yeah, we need to get this done right here, right now. But yeah, but I think it's just my fault for having bad posture or something like that. I can't lie, I was really impatient with this part. I really wanted this to be done, like literally on that day, so I can post it on TikTok. But you know, it is what it is. Well, anyways, alright, I would say I learned this style from school. So the way I picked up this style was that I used to get really bored in school, so I'll just draw some random shit. That's when my creativity is just at its peak. But I would say I think that's the best time to be creative. I used to draw a lot of shoes back in the day with the pen, and then I think my first one that I did was the cat that I uploaded like last year maybe, or something like that. And that got like 700k views or something like that. Kind of went semi-viral. Yeah, so I started to do more of that. But I do like color, I can't lie. So maybe I could probably buy some pens and maybe do color with that. But who knows? But yeah, let me stop waffling and enjoy the rest.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't know.
I don't feel like working out today. Maybe tomorrow.